Welcome to the magic of macro, unlocking the hidden mobile world. In this video, we'll discover how to take stunning close-up photographs using just your smartphone camera. True macro photography requires a 1-to-1 reproduction ratio. While traditional lenses capture subjects at exact physical size, smartphones use specialized lenses and software to achieve a similar effect, revealing invisible textures and designs. Modern smartphones combine specialized hardware with artificial intelligence. Dedicated lenses focus precisely, ultra-wide integration automatically switches sensors, and computational photography uses AI to enhance details and reduce digital noise. Macro mode creates an incredibly thin depth of field. Even minor hand movements can push the subject out of focus. Absolute stability is essential to prevent image blur. To create essential stability, tuck your elbows into your ribs, rest your phone on a solid physical surface, and set a 2-second shutter timer to minimize camera shake. Lighting the small world requires specific strategies. Use natural side lighting to emphasize textures, or an overcast sky to soften the light. Avoid the built-in flash, which washes out details. External LED light can also illuminate specific angles precisely. Composition rules still apply to microscopic details. Place your focal point at grid intersections. Leave empty negative space around the subject, and isolate single details for maximum emotional impact. Everyday objects contain hidden landscapes. Leaves reveal complex vascular maps, and circuit boards create a sci-fi aesthetic. Coins and textiles are great stationary objects to practice on. Execute your first macro shoot in 4 steps. First, clean your lens. Second, move within 3 inches to enable macro mode. Third, lock focus by tapping and holding the screen. Fourth, adjust the exposure down to reveal deep textures. Focus stacking merges multiple layers into one sharp image. Professionals capture multiple photos at different focus points, and software stacks them together. The final result achieves perfect sharpness from front to back. Now it's time for the detailed discovery task. Find a textured subject, position it in natural side light, move your phone closer until the camera shifts focus, and capture the unseen details.